Hey guys, welcome back to the Layla Sister Show. Thanks for joining us. It's a little windy, but we're gonna go check out some real animals at the farm. Come join us. Make sure you give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Nahla, what's the sheep say?
Cow.
What's the cow say?
Pig.
What's the pig say? What's the horse say? Hey girls, do you want to go see real farm animals?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's go to the farm.
Mom, look, there's a rooster in there.
What's the rooster say?
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Yeah. Hi.
Thank you, baby doll.
Thank you.
All right, good job. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mom, look.
Now let me see yours. Can I see your stamp? Let me see it.
How old is Phil?
Well, mine is like a half a piece.
Okay. She's so kitty cat. Okay, let's get some hay.
No, we have our own.
All right, let's go, girls. You want to go this way?
Yep. No,
Come on, Nahla. Oh, girls, look.
Whoa.
It's a turkey. Come here, Nahla.
What is it, guys?
That's so cool. There's a kitty cat. Okay, you want to go say hi to the goats?
Yeah.
Girls, which one is the goat? What's the goat say? Layla, what is that? Is it a goat?
It's a goat. Mommy, I'm good at feeding goats. Oh, it ate it. Oh, let's get some more. Yummy, yummy.
Is that fun?
Can I get this one too?
Yeah. Is that
This
fun?
one?
Yeah.
Look, that peacock. It can fly. Mommy, look at peacock.
That's cool. Good eyes. Girls, where are the fish? Nahla, what's the fish say? What animal is that?
A fish. It's a big one. And baby. Mama, can I touch the turtles?
No.
Why?
Because the sign says don't touch them.
Chicken.
A lot of chickens, huh?
Then I said, let's go inside the chicken. See some chickens? Okay, let's keep going. Is that the turtles? Uh-oh.
Let's follow the peacock. Follow the peacock.
Well, we have to go over there.
Okay. Which one's the pig? Nahla, what's the pig say? What animal is that?
It's a piggy. Piggy.
Which animal is the cow? Nahla, what's the cow say? What animal is that?
A cow.
Who's gonna feed the cow first? Try again, Nahla. Get some more now. You got too little. Get a bigger handful. There you go. Get a handful. There you go. He's big, huh? He's not gonna hurt you. Which one is the donkey? Nahla, what's the donkey say? What animal is that?
A donkey. Good boy. Oh, he catched it.
This guy look funny.
Oh, I see, want some hay?
It's a mini horse, isn't it?
Oh, cute bunny. I wish I had a pet bunny. Yeah, so cute.
Which one is the turkey? Nahla, what's the turkey say? What's that, Layla?
It's a turkey.
Which one's the duck? Nahla, what's the duck say?
Gaga.
Layla, what animal is that?
It's a duck.
Which one's the sheep? Nahla, what's the sheep say?
Wow.
Layla, what animal is that?
Sheep. Hi, sheep.
Turn, feed him. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Oh, Layla. Nahla, you want to feed him? Get closer. You wait part of the bag. Uh-oh, do it again. Give him some more. Nahla, give it back to him. No, goat.
Good.
Get close to the goat.
Good. Okay. This
You gotta get closer, Nahla.
Good.
Get close. Get closer.
Good.
Hold it there. He did it. Good job.
Let's see this one.
All right. I think we're okay.
Mama, I said, here you go, Philip. It's a baby goat.
Here, Nahla. You gonna feed him?
Just put you on this. See?
Good job, girl. Which one's the horse? Nahla, what's the horse say?
Nay.
Layla, what animal is that?
A horse. Do some hay.
Okay, maybe flat hand when you give it to a horse. Flat hand. There you go. Good job. Flat hand. Okay, now this horse is going to make noise to tell you he wants food. Oh, you bit me! Flat hand. Good job. All yours fell out now. Good job. Here, I'll give you some more. Thank you. You girls want to pet the horse? Yeah, pet his nose. No, pet him. You want to pet the horsey? Good job. I don't think he can see very well. Here, buddy. There you go. Thank you.
He's hitting his head with his...
Soap. Okay, Nahla Bear. Let's do your soup. Water. Okay, scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Okay, good job. You do hers. Okay, shake, shake, shake.
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, what was your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is horse. You know, some people bring
Okay, what do you want? This one? Yeah. Look, you can pet him. It's a turkey. Here, go. You want to pet the turkey?
I don't think so.
Now you want to pet the turkey? No.